Hello friends, my name is Shannon. Welcome to this 5-minute guided morning meditation for gratitude. To begin, settle in comfortably. That can be lying down, in a chair, or seated on the floor. You can close your eyes. If that is not comfortable for you, just keep the gaze soft. And as we begin to turn the focus inward, notice the natural rise and fall of your breath. Now let's take a big inhale together. Inhale. And open your mouth and sigh it out. Exhale. Now just let your breathing return back to your natural rhythm. If your mind begins to wander, just gently bring your attention back to the breath. Now imagine you're in a room with an open door leading outside. It can be any room you'd like, decorated any way you'd like. This is your room and your safe haven. Beyond the room, just outside the door, you see a beautiful day in the world. Observe the comings and goings outside the door from your safe haven. Feel the breeze coming in upon your skin. Feel the warm sun come across your face. Feel the warmth from the sun come all the way across your body, gently enveloping you like an ocean of new possibility as you gaze out from your safe haven into the world. Really feel and absorb that welcoming feeling of a brand new day. That feeling of the world outside gently welcoming you to a brand new day in your glorious, amazing life. Accept the gift that is this new day. Really take this moment to feel gratitude for another day of being gloriously alive. In your mind, gently repeat this mantra. On the inhale, think, I am. On the exhale, grateful. Inhale, I am. Exhale, grateful. Inhale, I am. Exhale, grateful. If your mind begins to wander, just bring it back to the breath and the mantra, I am grateful. On your next inhale, begin to gently bring awareness back to the body. Begin to deepen your inhales. Notice the ground, floor, or the chair below you. May you bring the gratitude of your practice into the rest of your day. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for meditation, friends. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more meditation and yoga videos. I'll see you guys next time.